Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to a different kind of video on this my channel. Normally I do documenting of my trades and all of that, but today I want to talk about what trading is and how to really start trading. So this video might be for total beginners, and if you are already well into trading, you might not really find this video useful, but you can still stick around if you want. Now let's get straight into it. Now, the title of this video, which is what we are going to be talking about today, is what trading is and how to start trading. What trading is and how to start trading. So first off, we need to understand the meaning of trading. Now let's have it. Trading is the act of buying and selling assets like stocks, currencies, and commodities with the goal of making a profit by capitalizing on price fluctuation in the market. So if you didn't get that, turn it on the screen. So if you've been following, you might want to ask what the meaning of stock is, what the meaning of currency is. So let's have it. Stock represents ownership in a company, allowing individuals to buy a small portion of that business. You understand? So imagine that you have a slice of pizza and then you keep it, and let's say the value of pizza starts to get higher and higher. You might decide to sell it to gain more than you actually invested in buying that pizza, or still continue holding it for long term, like maybe you anticipate long term value. So that's what stock is. You buy shares, you become a shareholder whenever you buy stock from companies. So once that company starts to make more money, you can decide to sell your shares at a higher price. That's what stock is. And another one here is currency, which some of us might know, but I'm still going to say currency is a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value that facilitates economic transactions between individuals, businesses, and governments. Maybe I don't really need to explain much about currency. It's just like the normal currency we all know, which is what you basically trade in Forex. GBP is an example of currency, US dollar, Nigerian naira, Japanese yen, and all of that. They are all examples of currencies. Now, talking about commodities, we all know what commodities are. Commodities are just basic goods or raw materials that can be bought, sold, or traded, often used in the production of other goods. So all these things can be traded. You can buy them to resell them at higher prices, or sell them at higher prices with the aim of buying when the price gets low. That's just the whole idea about trading. Now, to another aspect of this video, how to start trading. Now, you can't just know this thing about trading and then start trading. There are other things that you have to know to start trading, and there are other things that you have to know to remain in the trading system. So these are all what you are going to be doing in this video. So please do well to stick around, and if you've watched the video to this extent, it might be nice for you to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's keep going. So now, what are the things that you have to do to really start trading? We all know what trading is, what asset is. Now, what do we do? The number one thing to do there is to understand the basics. Understand the basics of trading. Understand what trading is all about. You understand? Which I feel like we know. Understand the terminologies involved in trading, the meaning of lot sizes, the meaning of pips, depending on what you want to trade. If you're trading Forex, you need to understand the meaning of all those terminologies, the meaning of lot sizes, pips, limits, orders, and all of that. You need to understand that. You need to learn and understand that. You understand? Another thing you need now is to choose a broker. But before you choose a broker, you need to understand everything about trading. You need to know what you want to trade, whether it is Forex, whether it is stocks, commodities, and all that, cryptocurrency. Then you choose a broker. Now, there are other things that you might want to consider while choosing a broker. You might want to do some kind of research. You understand? You have to choose a broker that has been long in the game, a broker that has a reputable track record. You understand? So some Forex brokers are like, we have XNES, we have OctaFX, and a lot of others. We are going into cryptocurrency trading. We have Binance, Bybit, BitGet. There are many. So just do your research, know the broker that that you would trust with your funds, and that really accepts your style of trading. And then the third thing to do is to create an account with them, which is of course we all should. Another thing there is to practice with a demo account. Now you can't just start something that you don't really know much about and want to start putting your money in it. That will be very bad. I have experience in this thing. My first deposit in my forex broker account, I had almost zero experience and it did not really go well. So you'd have to practice with a demo account. Now a demo account gives you the ability to test different strategies, to practice and understand how the market is. You understand? You cannot just be fighting the battle and not know why you are fighting it, not know who your enemies are. So this is what demo account does for you. It helps you to understand the market mechanics. You understand price action, supply and demand. It helps you to understand all of those things. That is what the demo account does for you. So please, if you're starting out as a complete beginner, try to start out with a demo account first. Another thing to do, this comes after starting with a demo account, is to develop a trading plan. Because after you started with a demo account to practice different strategy, and let's say you already have discovered a strategy that kind of like works, the next thing that you want to do is to develop a trading plan. And the trading plan is, there are like set of rules that you might want to follow. Yes, some people say something about set up your trading setup, the time zone, the candle time frame that you are using, the time that you want to trade and all of that. All those stuffs are your trading plan. You have to create a trading plan. You understand? You have to create a trading plan so that you can be able to stick to it. Another thing that you want to do is start small. Guys, this one is very important. As a complete beginner, you don't want to start with big capital. Invest what you can afford to lose. You understand? So that you will not get too much emotions attached to it. As if you want to get on a live account. After you have gone through all of these processes of understanding the basics, choosing a broker, opening an account, practicing with demo account, developing a strategy, the next thing you want to do is start small. But before you even start small, you have to practice risk management. So I skip that part. Risk management. Now what is risk management? You hear people say something about risk to reward ratio. This is the measure of your trade. Imagine you open a trade with your stop loss being at about $100 and your take profit being at about $200 or $300. If your take profit is in $300 and your stop loss is $100, your risk to reward ratio is like 1:3. That is, you are risking a percentage of your account for 3 times the percentage that you are risking. You understand? So with this, even if you make 2 losses and 1 win, you still be in profit. You understand? For you to actually clear out the 1 profit you make, you'd have to make 3 straight losses. And please, risk management requires you to keep your profit and your loss around the same bracket. You don't want to have today $100 of loss and then tomorrow $200 of loss, $300 of loss. No. Yeah, you have to calculate every single trade before even getting into it. Know what you are risking. Know that you are not going above the amount that you want to risk. Know that you are not going above it. So if you are risking $100 per trade, which might be like, depending on your account size, it might be like 2%, 1%. If that's what you are risking per trade, just let it be like that. And then your return, if $300 is what you are expecting, let it be like that. Don't take anything less than that. You understand me? With this, you are going to stay more in the game. This is the risk management aspect of it. So please, you need to understand risk management, and then before you start small, start with a small capital, something that you can, an amount of money that you can afford to lose, so you don't get, you don't really feel too emotionally attached to it. You understand? Now, having said all of this stuff, now there are things that you have to do to keep trading. Trading can be very hard, frustrating. It can be very hard, but there are things that you have to do to continue. You understand? And these things are market research. Now, what I mean by market research are fundamentals, understanding fundamentals, knowing the news before you take any trade. Know the news that might affect your trade, because your technical analysis might be alright and all of that, but because you're not checking about market research and news that can affect the trade, you might just get into the trade and the whole thing might just go the opposite direction for you. So you have to understand the market, how it works. Try to know the upcoming economic events. Like, you can use my FX book. It's an app. You understand? So it has it's an economic calendar app. So they give you all the news that might affect your trade for the day, and I think that can help you make better trading decisions. Another thing that you want to do is continuous learning. Just like learning never ends in this forex market. You have to continue learning. You make mistakes, you learn from them. You learn from other people's mistakes. Just continue learning and learning and learning. That's like the major way that you can get better. You understand? To keep learning and learning. And also another thing is emotional discipline. That is the third and most important aspect of it. This can help you stay very, very long time in the game. Emotional discipline. Challenge yourself every day to stick to your trading plan. Try not to get too attached to it. If you want to take one trade, you try as much as possible to stick to it. You understand me? This will really, really help you and keep you long in the game. So with this, guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. So if you are new to this channel, please do it to smash the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you feel like it deserves it. And as always, thanks for